नमस्कारम स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम यूनिट 4 फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर बीएससी केमिस्ट्री टॉपिक है रिकैपिटुलेशन ऑफ बेसिक्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा हाइब्रिडाइजेशन। व्हाट इज द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन ऑफ द कार्बन एटम इन CH4, sp3, sp2, sp और p, and the answer is sp3. Second, which hybridization scheme is associated with a planar triangular molecule? sp3, sp2, sp, dsp2, and the answer is sp2. What is the hybridization of the carbon atom in CO2? आप सबको ये निकालने होंगे, ये याद नहीं होते हैं, ये सब निकालने पड़ते हैं। sp3, sp2, sp, dsp2, and the answer is sp2. How many sigma bonds are formed by a carbon atom in sp3 hybridization? 2, 3, 4, 5. तो कितने सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स बनते हैं sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन के अंदर? 4. Which of the following molecules has a carbon atom with sp hybridizations? CH4, CO2, C2H2, CH2O, and the answer is C2H2. Next topic है हमारा bond lengths and bond angles. What is the typical bond length for a CH bond? 1.0 angstrom, 1.2 angstrom, 1.4 angstrom, 1.6 angstrom, and the answer is 1.2 angstrom. What is the bond angle in a molecule with sp3 hybridization? 120 degree, 109.5 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and the answer is 109.5 degree. All right. Which of the following molecules has a bond angle of 120 degree? CH4, CO2, C2H2, CH2O, and the answer is CO2. What is the typical bond length for a CO bond? 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8 angstrom, and the answer is 1.4 angstrom. What is the bond angle in a molecule with sp2 hybridization? 120 degrees Celsius, 109.5 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and the answer is 109.5 degree. Bond energy. What is the bond energy of a CH bond? 300, 400, 500, 600 kilojoule per mole, and the answer is 400 kilojoule per mole. Which of the following bonds has the highest bond energy? CH, CC, CO, CN. Highest bond energy किन के बीच में होगी? कार्बन या हाइड्रोजन, कार्बन कार्बन, कार्बन या ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन या नाइट्रोजन, एंड द आंसर इज CO. कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन के बीच में हाईएस्ट बॉन्ड एनर्जी होगी. What is the bond energy of a carbon-carbon bond? 300, 400, 500, 600 kilojoule per mole, and the answer is 500 kilojoule per mole. Which of the following molecules has the highest total bond energy? Highest total bond energy किसके पास होगी? CH4, CO2, C2H2, CH2O, and the answer is CO2. What is the bond energy of a CN bond, carbon and nitrogen bond? 300, 400, 500, 600, and the answer is 500 kilojoule per mole. Next topic is localized and delocalized chemical bonding. First, which type of bonding is characteristic of molecules with multiple bonds? Localized, delocalized, hybridized, sigma, and the answer is delocalized. What is the type of bonding in a molecule with a carbon double bond carbon bond? Localized, delocalized, hybridized, sigma, and the answer is delocalized. Which of the following molecules has localized bonding? CH4, CO2, C2H2, CH2O, and the answer is CH4. What is the type of bonding in a molecule with a carbon oxygen bond? Localized, delocalized, hybridized, sigma, and the answer is localized. Which of the following molecules has delocalized bonding? CH4, CO2, C2H2, CH2O, and the answer is C2H2. Next topic is van der Waals interactions. First, what is the weakest type of intermolecular force? Hydrogen bonding, dipole-dipole force, London dispersion force, ion dipole force. And the answer is London dispersion force. Which of the following, wait, okay, इसमें नंबरिंग में मैंने गलती कर रखी है, ठीक है. Which of the following is a characteristic of van der Waals forces? They are strong and long range. They are weak and short range. They are strong and short range. They are weak and long range. And the answer is they are weak and short range. Weak होते हैं और short range ही होती है उनकी. Next, what is the primary cause of van der Waals forces? Primary cause क्या है? Electronegativity, electropositivity, polarizability, ionization energy, and the answer is polarizability. Which of the following molecules exhibits van der Waals forces? CO2, H2O, CH4, all of the above, and the answer is all of the above. What is the range of van der Waals forces? 1 to 10 angstrom, 10 to 100 angstrom, 100 to 1000 angstrom, या 1000 to 10,000 angstrom, and the answer is 10 to 100 angstrom. B option. Next topic is inclusion compounds. Now, what is an inclusion compound? A compound that contains a central metal atom, a compound that contains a guest molecule within a host molecule, a compound that contains a metal atom bonded to a ligand, a compound that contains a central atom with multiple bonds. So, an inclusion compound is a compound that contains a guest molecule within a host molecule. Next, which of the following is an example of an inclusion compound? Chrome ether, zeolite, cyclodextrin, all of the above, and the answer is of course all of the above. Third, what is the host molecule in an inclusion compound? Host molecule कौन होता है inclusion compound में? Molecule that is included, the molecule that does the including, the molecule that is bonded to the metal atom, or last option is the molecule that is not bonded to the metal atom. So the answer is, what is the answer? The molecule that does the including, जो molecule including करता है, ठीक है. What is the guest molecule in an inclusion compound? Same options है, ठीक है. हमें इसमें guest molecule बताना है inclusion compound के अंदर, तो इसमें हम देखते हैं आंसर क्या होगा. The molecule that is included, जो molecule included हुआ है उसको हम guest molecule कहेंगे. और ऊपर हमने पढ़ा था एक होस्ट मोलिक्यूल क्या है, तो होस्ट मोलिक्यूल है जो मोलिक्यूल इंक्लूड करेगा, ठीक है. होस्ट मोलिक्यूल होगा और गेस्ट मोलिक्यूल जो इंक्लूड हुआ है, ठीक है. एक करेगा और एक हुआ है, गेस्ट एंड होस्ट, ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंक्लूजन कंपाउंड्स? कैटालिसिस, ड्रग डिलीवरी, सेपरेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव, एंड द आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Next topic is clathrates. Now, what is a clathrate? A type of inclusion compound, a type of coordination compound, a type of organic compound, a type of inorganic compound? And the answer is a type of inclusion compound. Which of the following is an example of a clathrate? Methane clathrate, crown ether, zeolite, cyclodextrin. And the answer is methane clathrate. What is the structure of a clathrate? Structure बतानी है. A cage-like structure, a linear, a planar, a branched structure. And the answer is a cage-like structure. Fourth, which of the following is a characteristic of clathrates? High melting point, high boiling points, low solubility in water, high solubility in water. And the answer is low solubility in water. Okay. Now, fifth, which of the following is an application of clathrates? Catalysis, drug delivery, separation technology, energy storage. And the answer is energy storage. Application energy storage है. एंड हमने इसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक पढ़ी थी ऊपर, ये रहा, सॉरी, इसकी एप्लीकेशन पढ़ी थी हमने. इंक्लूजन कंपाउंड का एप्लीकेशन क्या है? कैटलिसिस भी करता है, ड्रग डिलीवरी भी करता है, सेपरेशन टेक्नोलॉजी भी करता है. ये तीनों करेगा इंक्लूजन कंपाउंड. ठीक है. और मेनली अगर हम क्लैथरेट की बात करें तो क्लैथरेट क्या करता है? सिर्फ एनर्जी स्टोरेज का काम होता है इसका. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, चार्ज ट्रांसफर कॉम्प्लेक्सेस. व्हाट इज अ चार्ज ट्रांसफर कॉम्प्लेक्स? A complex formed by the transfer of electrons, a complex formed by the sharing of electrons, a complex formed by donation of electrons, a complex formed by the acceptance of electrons. And the answer is a complex formed by the transfer of electrons. Okay. Which of the following is an example of a charge transfer complex? Fluorescence, tetrathiophylvaline, tetracyanoquinodimethyne, TTF, TCNQ, Prussian blue, ZC salt. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, TTF, TCNQ. याद रखना है इसका पूरा नाम अच्छी तरह से. ये MCQ काफ़ी अच्छा है, एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आ सकता है. What is the driving force for the formation of charge transfer complex? Electrostatic attraction, covalent bonding, ion dipole interaction, pi stacking. And the answer is electrostatic attraction. मैं आपको वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले कुछ बता दूं कि आपके पेपर का पैटर्न MCQ है. ये MCQs जितने भी आप देख रही हो उनमें से 100% में से कम 60% यहीं से आने वाले हैं, क्योंकि हर एक टॉपिक से हमने MCQs प्रोवाइड करने की पूरी कोशिश की है. तो प्लीज़ आप वीडियो पूरा देखिए, दोबारा देखिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करिए. एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ चार्ज ट्रांसफर कॉम्प्लेक्सेस? High conductivity, low conductivity, high solubility in water, low solubility in water. And the answer is high conductivity. Which of the following is an application of charge transfer complex? Catalysis, drug delivery, separation technology, electronic materials. And the answer is, of course, electronic materials. Next heading is hyperconjugation. Which of the following is an example of hyperconjugation? The overlap of orbitals in a carbon-carbon bond, the overlap of orbitals in a carbon-hydrogen bond, the overlap of orbitals in a carbon-oxygen bond, the overlap of orbitals in a carbon-nitrogen bond. And the answer is the overlap of orbitals in carbon-hydrogen bond. What is hyperconjugation? है क्या ये? The overlap of sigma bonds with a pi orbital, overlap of pi bonds with a p orbital, the overlap of sigma bonds with a pi orbital, the overlap of pi bonds with a sigma orbital. Confusing है ना, इसलिए हमें पता होना चाहिए अच्छी तरह से कि hyperconjugation है क्या, ताकि हम ऑप्शन देखते ही टिक लगा दें. ठीक है. आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? The overlap of sigma bonds with a pi orbital. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ हाइपर कंजुगेशन. अब रिजल्ट बताना है इसका. इंक्रीज्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इन द सिग्मा बॉन्ड, डिक्रीज्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इन द पाई बॉन्ड, इंक्रीज्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इन द पाई बॉन्ड, decreased electron density in the sigma bond. And the answer is increased electron density in the pi bond. Next, what is the effect of hyperconjugation on the stability of a molecule? It decreases the stability, it increases the stability, it has no effect on stability, it may increase or decrease stability depending on the molecule. And the answer is it increases the stability. Now, which of the following molecules exhibits hyperconjugation? CH4, CO2, C2H4, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Examples में आप लिख सकते हैं अगर आप थ्योरी का एग्जाम देते हैं तो. What is the prerequisite for hyperconjugation to occur? The presence of a double bond, the presence of a triple bond, the presence of a sigma bond, the presence of a pi bond and an adjacent sigma bond. एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है डी ऑप्शन अच्छी तरह से, तो यही इसका आंसर होगा. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ पाई बॉन्ड एंड एन एडजेसेंट सिग्मा बॉन्ड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज डाइपोल मोमेंट. व्हाट इज द डाइपोल मोमेंट ऑफ अ मॉलिक्यूल? अ मेजर ऑफ इट्स पोलैरिटी, अ मेजर of its reactivity, a measure of its conductivity, a measure of its magnetism. So option number A, a measure of its polarity. Which of the following molecules has a dipole moment? CO2, CH4, H2O, N2. तो dipole किसका बनेगा? H2O molecule. ठीक है. What is the unit of dipole moment? dBi, Coulomb, Joule, Kelvin. And the answer is dBi. Which of the following factors affects the dipole moment of a molecule? Bond length, bond angle, electronegativity, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. What is the dipole moment of a molecule with a symmetrical structure? Zero, non-zero, variable, constant. And the answer is zero. Next topic is electronic displacements. What are the electronic displacements? The movement of electrons within a molecule, the movement of electrons between molecules, the movement of electrons within an atom, the movement of electrons between atoms. And the answer is the movement of electrons within a molecule. Which of the following types of electronic displacements is known as a shift? Inductive effect, electromeric effect, resonance effect, mesomeric effect. And the answer is inductive effect. Which of the following types of electronic displacements involves the delocalization of electrons? Inductive, electromeric, resonance, mesomeric effects. And the answer is resonance effect. Which of the following types of electronic displacements is responsible for the stabilization of a molecule? Inductive, electromeric, resonance, mesomeric. And the answer is resonance effect. Which of the following molecules exhibit electronic displacements? CH4, CO2, C2H2, C6H6. And the answer is, of course, C6H6. Now, inductive effect. What is the inductive effect? The transfer of electron from one atom to another, the transfer of electrons within an atom, the transfer of electrons from one molecule to another, the transfer of electrons within a molecule. And the answer is the transfer of electrons within a molecule. Which of the following atoms exhibits a high inductive effect? Hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. And the answer is oxygen. Which of the following molecules exhibits a high inductive effect? CH4, CO2, C2H2, H2O. And the answer is H2O. What is the result of the inductive effect on a molecule? Stabilization, destabilization, no effect, variable effect. And the answer is stabilization. Which of the following is an example of the inductive effect? Catalysis, drug delivery, separation technology, organic synthesis. And the answer is organic synthesis. Next is electromeric effect. What is the electromagnetic effect? The transfer of electrons from one atom to another. The transfer of electrons within an atom. The transfer of electrons from one molecule to another. The temporary transfer of electrons within a molecule. And the answer is the temporary transfer of electrons within a molecule. Which of the following atoms exhibit a high electromagnetic effect? Hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. And the answer is nitrogen. Which of the following molecules exhibits a high electromagnetic effect? CH4, CO2, C2H2, NH3. And the answer is of course NH3. What is the result of the electromagnetic effect on a molecule? Stabilization, destabilization, no effect, variable effect. Destabilization is the answer. Which of the following is an application of the electromagnetic effect? And the answer is organic synthesis. Resonance effect. What is the resonance effect? The delocalization of electrons within a molecule. The localization of electrons. देखो localization तो होगा ही नहीं, इसमें delocalization होता है, ठीक है. The transfer of electrons from one atom to another. The transfer of electrons from one molecule to another. And the answer is option number A. Delocalization of electrons within a molecule. Which of the following molecules exhibits resonance? CH4, CO2, C2H6, C6H6. So benzene is the correct answer. C6H6. What is the result of the resonance effect on a molecule? Stabilization, destabilization, no effect, variable effect. Stabilization is the answer. Which of the following is the characteristic of resonance? Fixed electron density, delocalized electron density, high energy, low energy. And the answer is of course delocalized electron density. Which of the following is an example of the resonance effect? And its answer is organic synthesis. Yes, resonance का भी organic में है, ठीक है. अब आ गया मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट. मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट क्या होता है? इसमें डीलोकलाइजेशन होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन का मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर. ये लोकलाइजेशन होता है. ये ट्रांसफ़र होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन एक एटम से दूसरे एटम पर. ये ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम वन मॉलिक्यूल टू अनदर. इसमें क्या होना चाहिए? इसमें होना चाहिए डीलोकलाइजेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विद इन अ मॉलिक्यूल. मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट में भी हमने तो रेजोनेंस में भी यही पढ़ा था ऊपर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मॉलिक्यूल्स एग्जिबिट मेसोमेरिज्म? Mesomerism. CH4, CO2, C2H2, C6H6. And the answer is C6H6. What is the result of the mesomeric effect? Stabilization. Which of the following is the characteristic of mesomerism? Delocalized electron density. बिल्कुल सिमिलर है रेजोनेंस के, बिल्कुल सिमिलर है सारे के सारे MCQs. Which of the following is an application of the mesomeric effect? Of course organic synthesis आएगा इसमें भी. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. And प्लीज़ आप लोग वीडियो पूरा देखिए, शेयर कीजिए ताकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसी ही वीडियोस लाती रहूं. आपके एग्ज़ाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपके MCQs छांटने पड़ते हैं, है ना. बहुत सारे MCQs होते हैं, उनमें से जो मेन ठीक लगते हैं सिर्फ वही टॉपिक वाइज MCQs मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करती हूँ. तो प्लीज़ इस छोटी सी मेहनत के लिए आप प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. थैंक यू.